Great rising, everyone. Today we will trade in the NAS100. It requires $151. Today the price goes up and down as the price moves up and down. Then we have $164. So we have to absolutely stay patient, not forcing any trades, because we only have about $13 in margin of error. So, but that being said, we can't be effing around too much. Gotta stay very focused. As you see, I have no support and resistance line. It is 916. So go ahead and create some. I'm gonna put one right here. There's a red cardinal right next to me. I love trading outside. You should have some resistance there. On the daily, MACD is closed, but above the histogram, RSI is just at 58%. We are above the medium on the Bollinger Bands. It's kind of I'll say that it's kind of balanced right now. It's not really showing too much weaknesses, or it's not showing too much strength either. It's just right where it needs to be. I'll move this one a little bit right here. Never doing your support and resistance lines. You want to see more in the, you want to start with the higher time frames like daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and go down. Because then you kind of see what the price has been at. So right here, it seems to have some resistance before. When you broke out, came back, acted as support. So same thing here. Kind of like, it's not really oh, there's support right here and it's going to act as support. It's more of an idea where majority of people have trade or have supported the line, or where the resistance is at. Kind of things like that. It's not a exact science. It's just for you to understand, have some type of understanding of what is happening and what is the possibility, or where it could go, or where it could stay, or not do anything. It's a little bit lower. This a little bit. This one down a little bit. So MACD over here. MACD is closed, but it is above the histogram as well. It's getting very thin. And RSI is pretty much the same as, oh, well, RSI and MACD is kind of the same as the 4 hour. The 4 hours is a little bit tighter than MACD. It's still above the medium. So the medium is the difference between the upper band and the lower band, and this is right in the middle. Now 15 minutes. We already testing the upper band here once. Right here, it is within some type of resistance or so. I'm gonna put a line just about here. Here the MACD, it's open and above the histogram as well. And RSI, it's about the same place. So I would say that today, the NAS100, it seems to be pretty balanced. It's kind of like, it's right in the middle of, it's not really shorting and it's not really buying. It's right where it needs to be. MACD in the 5 minute, it's open, getting above the histogram. RSI, the same thing, about 59.60. And it did touch the upper band once. 1 minute, MACD is closed, coming back down, but also above the histogram. RSI is at 53. So by the MACD being above the histogram all time frame, there is an indication of a potential bull move. Like it's a potential upward movement, but we still need to wait and then react. So don't predict, react. We're not predicting these moves. We are reacting to what we see. And then we act accordingly. What's this? Is there any red folders today? Nope. Straight action. Okay. Well, just gotta wait now. All we gotta do is just wait. Oh man, I got bird shit in my hand. And all over my computer. Whoosh. Went back inside too. I have bird shit all over my hand. Because whenever I sat down, there's bird poop in the chair. I wiped my hand all over the place with this. Alright, so what's happening here? Okay. We went above the band in the 1 minute. Almost tested the 5. And he tested the 15. That was a good short. Okay. Well, about 20 points. 30 points now. Look, 444. 444. Okay. Come on, sail up. Sail up. It's 40 points already. So in the NAS100, we have a different kind of strategy. We have take profits at 40 points, 80 points, 120, and 180. So whenever we get to 0.04, we can do the full range of trading. I come down here. I want to take this short, but I don't think it's really worth it. It's really worth my risk here. Because remember, we only have about $13 of, $12 to $13 of margin of error. See, they'll take this out right there. Da, 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 do, 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 do. That was not a decent short over there. I just didn't want to take it. I don't know. Didn't feel like it. Didn't feel like it because here, the histogram, the MACD is straight open. Bollinger Band is facing up, so most likely is to pull the price action towards the band. A 15-minute band, MACD right here too is open, but it is testing the upper band right here, possibly coming back down here. I don't want to chase this. Probably going back down, but maybe not. Looks like it will. And take a small stab over here, see what happens. Too tight. 9's too much. 6, 2, 2. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, we took a short. The risky short. So as soon as it goes down some, I'm gonna move my stop loss to literally like break even because there's not much we can risk over here. So we already up 3 points. Come on, sell off. So here I'm gonna put my stop loss already to break even because we don't have much margin of error. So if it comes back up, so be it. At least it'll be. It looks like it will right now. You gotta lose this. The MACD's about to go close, which is good. All right, we up 8 points, 9 points. Come on, come on. Gotta get under here, under the moving average. So let's say that if it does come all the way down here again, we might take profits. Take profits. No, not 28. The reason why I took the short because whenever it does this, you want to see the continuation of just going. You don't want to see like getting like kind of stalled out. So right now we're up 10 points still. We do have a take profits down there. Come on. No, 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 no. The other way. We go back the other way. They're about to take us out. Come on, take profits. And the reason why we moved the stop loss already to break even is because we don't have much room for error. Technically speaking, we should be taking the profits here, so that way we have a little bit more room of error. But we're just letting it be. MACD just went close under 1 minute. 5 minute is starting to crow. Oh, it took us out. Okay. It took us out and all right, took us out for $1.59. It's very slow today. Okay, it's fine. MACD is going to close. Okay, that was a decent short. It could have been a little bit better, but it's okay. Got took another 52, which is right here. And we short at 53, which is right here. It's fine. Seems like we're moving now. Too much. I just took another short, kind of risking 10 points. I don't want to risk that much, but we still did it. Let's see what happens here. You want to see a very large red candle here and another very large candle here. Just like this one's, but instead of green, red. Because then you really want her to sell off, so that way we can buy the dip down here somewhere. Again, I'm going to move this just at break even. And if it comes back up, so be it. You need to protect our capital right now until we get a trade that goes our way. Oh, it's weakening. Come on. Come on. I just moved my stop loss to right below my entry point. Once again, because we don't have much room for error. And whenever the NAS100 moves, it really moves. And now we want to see like a very large candle over here, got 30 more seconds. And then another one. So you can wipe all this out and then make our way all the way down here. And the reason that being said, because here in the 15-minute, this is where our take profit is, and this is where it's the thing that, but then this needs to start curling and coming back down. It just took us out again, which is fine. What? That one's the red. Yeah, that one closes off with negative 46 cents. Mother knocker. This took another risky. Oh my gosh. 9 points. That trade should not have been taken. That's a FOMO trade. That's a bad trade right here. Look where I got in. I chased this thing. This is a bad trade right here. Super bad trade. Jesus. Wow. This trade should not have been taken. That's a FOMO trade. Wow. Yep. Uh, wow. Bro. That was a bad trade. It's another bad trade right here too. Oh well, if it takes us out over here, pretty much gonna be out of the out of the nest. That's 12-point risk. Just risking way too much. Not risking way too much. I usually I risk 7 to 12 points on the NAS100, but on this case, it's risking too much because then, as far as like money goes, as far as balance and like equity goes, we would be under $151. So that would put us back on the SPX. And I would rather risk on the NAS100 than be trading the SPX. But NAS100 today is moving like it's it's kind of weird. It's not moving a lot. It's like I said earlier today. It's kind of balanced. It's between the buyers and the sellers. Is in an area right now that you're not really buying and not really selling. But we're just gonna leave that thing up there. If it takes us out over there, and it looks like it will, let it so be it. Then we'll be back on the SPX, whatever. But the trade from previous trade, the one that I got in right in Right in the bottom of the candle. That was a bad trade. That was a FOMO trade. Should not have been taken. But hey, we live and learn. But kind of having like a very tight risk on the NAS and only having 13 points of like margin of error. It's I wouldn't say it's quite difficult. It takes a lot, like mentally. Look, look, come on, man. Sell off already. Sell off. Sell off. Brazil plays tonight as well. We got 24 minutes into the market open. I feel that this trade was also a FOMO trade. Need her to get under this 350. Yeah, yeah. 5 minute upper band is all the way up there. That's bad for me because I'm in a short. MACD is it's right open on the 15 minute. RSI just steadily moving. And you don't want to be shorting into this action anyways because this is kind of like grinding action. Like it keeps on making higher highs. So this is the open, right? And made this low over here, and then he made a little bit higher, a new higher low, a new higher low, and he's like slowly moving up, slowly moving up. So you don't really want to be shorting into this anyways. You see, there you go. You want to be shorting. If you want to be shorting, you want to be like upward movements like this. And this makes me sad because now we can no longer trade the SPX. I mean the NAS100. It's gay. So it did take 4 trades. This trade right here for the negative $9. We really chased this on the way down, which was a FOMO trade. And this we had our stop loss, which was okay. We had a stop loss at 12, but since we did like a very large yeah, very large like movement. There was like 20 points on one candle. And he took us out for a little bit more. But it's fine. We did have a very tight risk anyways. So now we back on this SPX stuff. I don't really like trading SPX. And do the same as I think. I'm gonna short over here. I'm kind of all over the place today. Besides the one trade that we chased, I think we did pretty good. I think we did pretty good on the NAS. I'm satisfied with my performance. The only trade that I was not happy with is the one that I chased on the one short that I shorted around the bottom of the candle. That was a bad trade. We shouldn't even be trading today, anyways. Just for the fact that what it said is kind of well balanced today. It's not really going up. It's not really going down. Oh well. Okay. Take profits right now. We'll be back on the NAS. Oh wow. As soon as we move the stop loss, man. At this point, we're just waiting, really. Yeah, just took us out. It's about to, at least. Really? Wow. There it is. Took us out. The action today is just weird. Not really doing anything, just on this channel of weirdness. I think for today, I just want to take my fate and just be down whatever I'm down, and that's it. I took another short there, but I really should not be taking any more trades, anyways. The reason why I said that because it's not really doing anything. There's days that it should be the best trade is no trades. And this will be one of those days. The best trade is no trade. Really, like today would be one of those days. No trades is the best trade. You don't have to trade every day. Here he goes. About to take my. Man. Ay, ay, ay. I think this is it for me. Look. That today's a very boring trading day. I'm gonna turn this off, and later on the day I will review my trading day for today and for yesterday, which I didn't do because I was focusing on something else. All right. Um. Yeah. Sorry. Very boring trading day today. Literally on this channel. And if it does take me out here, I should not be trading anymore. So see you guys. Thank you for listening. If you do listen, if you don't listen, great. One thing that I do ask, at least learn from my mistakes. Thank you, and see you on Monday. Ciao.